So welcome back, guys. Now we are going to do the Bitcoin analysis. So let's go with it directly. So today is 25th of December. Okay, and yesterday we had something very crazy. Look at this. Look at this. So yesterday we were talking that this drop wasn't expected. We were expecting for it to be in this place because I think there was a problem last time. No, we will get there. Okay, so this was unexpected, but anyway, it dropped down, but it got up. So that's the important thing. And this is our entry, this is our stop loss. So it never got even close to our stop loss. And it went to the first level. Then it bounced after touching TP1. It bounced back. But again, it never was close to our stop loss. But we already had one new entry. So we would have two operations going at the same time. So I lost myself a bit. Wait a second, please. I lost myself a bit. Yeah, I think that's nice. So after it bounced a little bit, as I already said, it never got close to our stop loss. It kept going up, and this will be another entry. Okay, so you take this, so it will be 1, 2, and 3 to go upwards. And then this is a large channel, the 23.6 and 28.2. So if it breaks through this channel like this, it means that it's about to go up again above level 50, okay? Or at least it will stay in these three channels with it, which they are 38.2, 50, and 61.8, okay? So it will keep bouncing here. So the thing is that after you've done this, it never touched. This is the problem. It never touched. Oh, it doesn't look like I want it to look. Wait a second, please. That's it. It never touched. So that's a real problem, okay? Because it means that it hasn't got to level 50, okay? We haven't touched level 50. So this doesn't count, okay? We are still on this Fibonacci, waiting to know what it will do. We could be winning with this operation if we already got on it, but it hasn't ended. And the thing is that an operation that goes so long is not so good in the Bitcoin market. So you need to close it, or I mean, you need to take your winnings and prepare for another bounce, or you let it open, because I mean, this is our stop loss. Let me use something that it looked a lot better. Wait a second, please. Let's make a triangle. Like this. Yes, and let's make it yellow or red. Red, no yellow. Red, red, red. Yes. Okay, so now you can look it a lot better, right? So, as I was saying, this is our stop loss, okay? So there's nothing to worry, because you will be around here winning. But as you can see, it's dropping a little bit. So that's the thing. But anyway, we have talked about what happens. Let's talk about where we are about what we are expecting to happen, okay? Because we are taking this movement as the ruler, which was 90.51% upwards. It meant $108,324.09 in 278 bars, which is a lot of money. Okay, remember that this was the first time when it go up 100,000, so the market was crazy. But after that, it come the big drop, but the market could handle it and it stopped selling and it bounced very good to the price of 1,008,305.68. I need to practice my numbers, bro. So that's what we are measuring, and that's what gives us the levels to anchor. And as you can see, we've been following it since it got dropped. So that's the thing, that this level, all of this movement, you could have profited from it, and then this bounce, and then it got down again, but then it got up, it bounced a bit, but it keeps going up. As you can see, this is what is important, because you have a downtrend here, and it's very obvious, but you need to have the ruler to know what is it, because you don't know when it got to the side. You have very difficult, you it could be very difficult to see which trend are you following, because as you can see, this movement didn't count. Okay, this got up, didn't count. So where I left my triangle. So that's the thing. That's the thing. Okay, that like this and like this doesn't actually. Ooh, there's a wall over there, because as you can see, it hasn't touched that price since last time. So that's what's happening. It maybe will be a large bounce that maybe, just maybe, remember that all of the forecast of any financial instrument, it's completely speculative. So this is my forecast, and this is what I'm thinking that it will do. It won't get to 50%. It will drop to 23%. Remember that we are considering that we are still on level 38.2. So it will drop from here, something like that. I don't think it will go again to level 11.8, because it has already made a wall there. But it's nice to see this good of a this behavior of the market, because it's mean that it's very responsible. It's liquid, it's highly liquid, but it's responsible. So anyway, we could discount this because we don't believe it will happen. Because remember, even though it went to all of this, it doesn't count, okay? Because if you hit here, take profit, close it, and then stop making operations, because as you can see, this wasn't a new downtrend. This just dropped, and it has just stayed there, and it hasn't touched again the level 50. So that's very important. Okay, so our forecast will be that it will bounce again, but after that bounce, I will think that as we are finishing the year, it will go a bit crazy, because we are expecting that people will start to invest their their daily income. Maybe not so highly. I mean, that is very aggressive, but I mean, it's Bitcoin, you know. When it starts to get a bull trend, it goes crazy. But anyway, maybe we could add one here, and we could make this like this. So that would be the forecast that I am saying right now as of as of 25th of December of 2004 at 9:33 local time. CST, I believe. So thank you guys for being here. It's been amazing to share a bit of this passion that I have of studying and analyzing the Bitcoin. You're more than welcome to share your opinions, your strategies, whatever you want to share with me about it. Because if it's your passion as well, we could talk a lot about it. If you have your own strategy, even though if it's risk management strategy, it will be very appreciated if you can share it with me. So anyway, thank you guys for being here, and we'll be seeing each other tomorrow with the next game. So see you guys. Now look at the new out. Okay, I've been working on this a lot. So see you guys. Bye bye bye.